So what we're going to do is just that same thing we did with our modes. We're going to stick to our concert C major scale. So on each line, you're just going to go to the next scale degree like we did. So our major mode, or our first scale degree, then our Dorian, our second scale degree. So you're only going to be using the notes of the major scale. And you can do them in slow quarter notes like we just did. Or if that was pretty easy, you can do them in like a different order. You can do thirds, you can start at the top of the scale, or you can even like improvise over a little bit. I'm going to play a little bit of this just so we can kind of see what this exercise will be, and then you guys can play along with me. So I'm going to do my C major scale. And then my D Dorian. And I'll shout out each scale degree. I'll go 1, 2, and 3 in case you get lost. Make sense? All right. So here you go. And feel free to go if you need to go a little bit slower than me. But we're going to try this together. So here we go.